First, what does it mean to be happy as a Jew? I'll give you a small, minor example that I just learned in my Rabbanit of what it means. And we did a shiur about it, a quick one, last week in Hebrew. And I think it's fantastic. If you're a Jew and you live in Israel, a lot of places are kosher. Kosher is relatively standard there. Unfortunately, because of the million Russians that came, vast majority being goyim, that they went to Israel over the years, there's a lot of pig stores also. But there's more kosher stores. So to get kosher over there, you don't have to look on the map, where's the next kosher store like you do in America. But in America, in England, in Australia, and different places, you want to go eat kosher, you have to, look, where's the kosher place? Even the Jewish community. So that means if you're driving from my house in Cooper City, and you're driving, let's say, on Griffin, okay? You're driving on Sterling, or you're driving on one of these streets where on both sides there's restaurants and shopping centers and so on. What are you seeing? You're seeing 99% of the places not kosher, not allowed to go there. Not kosher Chinese, not kosher Indian, not kosher this one, not kosher that one, not kosher this, not kosher that, not allowed to go here, not allowed to go there. No, 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 nothing, get away, run away, reverse, abort, mayday. Can't go nowhere. Finally you see a little rinky-dink place, sends falafel and pita. Kosher, but you're not even chose the Rabbanut yet. You know what a Jew is, Rabotai Yekarim? You know what V'samachta b'kol hatov asher natan lecha Hashem, that you are happy with all the good that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave you, and you are an Am Zgula, that you're a special nation. You know what you're not supposed to be happy for that one little kosher place. No! You're supposed to be happy for all of those non-kosher places. You're supposed to say, Shtabach Shimo La'ad, look at me. I'm part of this Am Zgula that's not allowed to have any of this. Look how special it is. HaKadosh Baruch Hu runs this entire world. All the planets, all of the different galaxies, and the stars, and the clouds, and the rains, and the atmosphere, and the animals, and all types of germs, and all types of things we see and we don't see. Why? For this book. For this book that says, I am not allowed to go to all of those places. How amazing is that? How amazing that I can't take part in any of this. That's what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to be of the mindset of saying, oh man, look what I'm missing out. Chinese, Jewish, Japanese, Chinese, this means, that means, this means, Zionese, Islamese. No, it's the opposite. See, look how special it is. This entire world functions on the fact that there's going to be one little pita place with some hummus and falafel, because they haven't gotten the hashgacha from the Rabbanut yet to get meat. That place I'm allowed to eat. How amazing is that? That's what you're supposed to. That's what a Jew is. A Jew is happy and that good. Not that there's a little pita place. That you cannot have any of the other stuff. Why? Because HaKadosh Baruch Hu said so.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh V'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new Be'ezrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the shiurim that we do, myself, Rav Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Call to B'chavatzlacha.